What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to install this beautiful new crooked core support. We're going to take everything off of that old one over there, stick it on this one right here, and we're going to get it in the truck, and we're going to make it all the way so that we can get this lid closed. Welcome to the Average American. guys, that's it for this video. We got the core support in, we got it all hooked up, and it's ready for the radiator. Next time that we get back to this thing, we're going to start it, and it's going to be awesome. I really hope it starts. So, if you followed along this long, if you stayed in it, thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, do all the things we tell you to do. I got to go in, get some food for my wife, and before I get beat up, and I'll catch you guys next time. See you.